Hey crypto users of YouTube, hope you having a crypto awesome day. Today I will show you how to download Sony Vegas Pro 15 in 2018. Go to this site, link in description. Download it and follow the tutorial to the end. If you like the tutorial, subscribe and like the video. By subscribing you're joining the crypto army and getting more tutorial videos. Run the Vegas Pro 15.exe file. Now choose your language. Note, the chosen language will be displayed inside the program. Extract the patch to a destination of your liking, and run the patch. Run the patch. Don't worry if it's on Russian. Just click next and don't change the destination. If you installed your Vegas to another destination, make sure to change it in the patch destination also. You're all set up. Now you can run your Sony Vegas Pro 15. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe and like the video. By subscribing you are joining the crypto army and get more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you crypto user in the next video. Join and help the crypto army grow on YouTube. By taking your time and clicking on the subscribe button, you're giving me the support to make more crypto awesome videos. Hope this tutorial helped you and I hope I see you crypto user again.